Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original back with another one for y'all, man. I checked this out today on my channel. I'm about to give y'all an update on my SBA disaster loan, the EIDL loan. I just signed my closing documents, and I just want to give y'all a little timeline on this video for everybody out there expecting to receive economic injury disaster loan. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now, 3 days ago, I posted on my channel that I received an email from the SBA that allowed me into the portal. And once I got access to the portal, I saw that I was approved for $7,500. So I went ahead and I accepted the offer, and I verified my identity, and the application began to process. Now, last night at around 11 p.m., I got another email from SBA saying that my application was fully approved and to sign the closing documents. Now, I want to go over, some of the terms and the agreements with this. I'm gonna have a little split screen video, but I'm gonna post, parts of the agreement so you can see, exactly what I'm talking about now. The terms go like this. So the SBA, they're giving me $7,500 for my business, right? The terms are like this. It's a 3.7 interest rate on it, and payment doesn't start from the day it's dispersed. It's going to get dispersed 2 days. So by Tuesday, around May 19th, I should have it. I'll do another update video for y'all out there, just to let y'all know. But from the moment you close the document or sign the documents, the funds are beginning to get dispersed. And after that, it only takes 2 days, no matter what your amount is. So I just want to go over my terms and my conditions. So I got approved for $7,500. Payment doesn't start until a year from now. So it'll be May, 2021 when I'll have to start back paying on this. It's a 30-year term, this loan agreement, and my term is different. It'll be different for the loan amount you choose, but I only have to pay $37 per month, to cover this loan. Like once repayment starts, I have to pay $37 per month. Now, something I want to point out in this contract is a big section called collateral. It's a lot of legal terms on here, but I just want to break it down into a simple way, just so y'all understand. Now, if you accept $25,000 from the SBA for this loan, you are basically in partnership with the SBA. They basically, if you don't pay them back, they can basically take your business. So it's all type of legal terms, and they just go very in detail on the legal aspect. But if you take over $25,000, your business is up for collateral. If you don't pay them back, they could seize all assets, all your bank accounts, anything associated, any equipment that's associated with your business. For me, I didn't take over $25,000. I wasn't even expecting that much. I've been watching videos. Some people getting 150, some people getting 30,000, some people getting 160. Whenever you accept an amount over 25,000 in this loan, in this SBA loan, you are giving your business up for collateral. So just be very smart what you do with the money. Another stipulation or rule with this loan is that they want receipts. They want you to keep the receipts for what you use the money for. I already know what I'm going to use the money for. Basically, it's advertisements. It's going to be an advertising budget for my channel, and for different equipment I need, maybe like a new camera, a new laptop, but mainly it's going to advertising. And all you got to do is keep the receipts. They saying in the contract that they're going to request that 3 years from now. So keep all the receipts of what you do with the money. If you get over 25,000, just know you are signing your business away as collateral if you can't pay, or anything goes wrong with the repayment and with the money. Also, with this loan, once you get authorized, once you get the step which you are approved, they cannot disperse the money until you sign the documents. And you have, well, on the document it says you have 60 days to reply. So you have 60 days to make up your mind before you sign the agreement. But on the email, it says you have 30 days. So I'm not 100% sure if it's 60 or 30 days. I just recommend making up your mind, within 28 days from getting, approved to sign the documents. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm expecting, to get my loan deposited into my bank account on Tuesday, Tuesday or Wednesday. But I will make an updated video showing y'all the deposit that I got it. I know it's a lot of people that were saying in the comments, on my last video, because my last video did pretty good. It's still doing pretty good about the SBA loan, but a lot of people were saying that they got denied and they haven't heard things back. So I just want to give y'all a little mini timeline on my, the whole process with me. So I applied on March 30th, right? I applied on March 30th. That's when I applied. Now they're saying that they're putting agricultural workers like farmers first, before normal applicants, but you can still sign up. I'll leave the link, the same link I used to sign up, I'll leave it in the description of this video. So make sure you read the description of this video. So just to give y'all a mini timeline of how my process worked to get up to the point of closing the documents, which I did, it ranked, I closed the documents on May 16th. Today is the 17th. But the first email I got from SBA was on March 30th. This is when I applied. I applied on March 30th. Second email came April 13th. April 13th, this was just a update, from the SBA. The third email, it came on May 2nd. So May 2nd just saying your application is processing, woody whoop. Next, I got the email on May 13th, which allowed me into the portal, right? And from there, I saw how much I was approved for. And I saw, I had to verify my identity, right? So after I verified my identity, 3 days later, they emailed me May 16th around 11 o'clock at night. And they said I was approved for the loan. And I went in and I digitally signed the documents, right? I digitally signed all of my documents. It's only I think it's like 5 pages. It's about 5 pages, but you sign in 2 different spots. And it's the terms of the loan, just for anybody coming in late in the live stream, I just signed my closing documents for the SBA disaster loan, the EIDL. I was approved for $7,500, right? I forgot to mention this too. It's $100 processing fee. I forgot to mention that. So if y'all didn't catch that in the beginning, you hear now. But $100 processing fee, right? I got $7,500, so I'm gonna get $7,400 deposited into my bank account. It deposits 2 days after you sign the closing documents. So after you sign your closing documents, you get the deposit in 2 days. Now, repayment on this loan starts a year from now. So it'll start in May of 2021. My term is I have to pay 3% interest on mine, so I'll have to pay $37 per month for 30 years. With this loan, but I'll definitely pay that off way quicker because of my strategy on what I'm going to do with the money. Now, the SBA wants you to use this money strictly for your business, and they want receipts they want you to keep the receipts on where you're taking your money or where you're giving out your money, spending your money. They want you to keep receipts for 3 years and submit them to them. So that's also in the document. If you accept over 25,000 from the SBA, you are giving up your business as collateral. They could take literally everything. It's all legal termed in a big paragraph. They could take everything, your equipment, documents, bank accounts, all promissory notes, anything you got laying around related to money they can get. So just know that, do right by the money. Don't just blow the money and, you know what I'm saying, not expect to pay it back and show your records on where you got your money from. And when you receive your closing documents, you know, you have 60 days, you know, to apply. You have 60 days to reply. You have 60 days to reply, sign the documents, and submit it. And the email said 30 days, but the document actually says 60 days within it. So I got screenshots up for y'all so y'all can see exactly what's going on. But yeah, I got approved. It's processing. It'll be deposited in about 2 days. So I'm gonna make another video for y'all, just give y'all another update on when I get the loan. And we're gonna talk about my business plan. So it's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. That's my video. Got approved for the SBA disaster loan, $7,500. You gotta repay in a year, $37 per month. If you accept over 25,000 from the SBA, your business is up as collateral to them. They can take everything if you don't repay them. So understand the terms you're getting into. Understand how much money you can take, because they give you really can choose how much money you can take from the amount that you approve. And just understand your terms. And for the people that want to apply for this, I'll leave a link. Right now, I'm getting a lot of comments saying that people are saying that they're putting agricultural farmer workers, you know, independent contractors in the farmland first before they're giving out loans to, you know, normal small businesses. Now, I applied March 30th, so I was ahead of that new rule that I saw that came out on April 13th. So I've been applied before that, so I was eligible and I got approved. So it's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. Leave comments if y'all need help with anything. Let me know. I answer all comments within the first 24 hours of this video. It's your boy Yon World. Peace.